Hello from K.I.G Property Management. We just did a full renovation of a house here in Van Nuys. We're here to check it out. I'm Derek.
I'm Jared.
And come with us along this ride to check out what we've done.
3-bedroom, 2-bath house in Van Nuys, fully remodeled, hadn't been updated in, I think, over 30 years. Come take a look. Brand new flooring, we ripped up all the carpet. If you recall, there was a parapet wall here. Fully removed, opened up the space quite nicely. We had old panels here from like the 1970s. We removed that drywall, painted that in. Here, if you recall, there was a wall here. And the only way to get from your dining room to the kitchen was to walk all the way around. We opened this up, so come take a look. You can walk into the kitchen, boom.
I love this kitchen. It's got a complete appliance set, Samsung, all super tech, fantastic. Got a brand new microwave, brand new stove and oven, brand new Samsung fridge. I mean, these are the modern conveniences that people are looking for. But what I really love is look at this sink. We've got a farm sink, like really nice materials. Wood is beautiful. Just really love this wood mixed with the marble look and the black. I mean, this is exactly what people are looking for. Not to mention an amazing dishwasher as well.
So this is the laundry room area. If you remember, if you recall, there was nothing here. So what we did was there was actually shelving up here that was really kind of keeping this place from like very, very claustrophobic, keeping it from it being open. So we removed all of the cabinetry here, threw it over on this side with brand new cabinetry, built a fluff and fold, washer and dryer, great space, a lot more open. The other thing we did in here, this was like a little bonus office space. We raised the ceiling, put in recessed lighting, kind of opened up, obviously new flooring, opened up the space quite a bit as well. Brand new fixtures, sink, cabinetry, shower panel, lighting, toilet. Everything's brand new, modern, nice clean look.